Konnichiwa guys, my name is Rohit Shiv Prasad. There is going to be a discussion. Not a discussion, I'm just gonna information. I think that learning Japanese on your own N4 and N5 is not a good idea. बस हम गए ये लो तुम्हारे सामने एकदम पट पट. Watch the video till the end to understand why I'm saying what I'm saying. उससे पहले कमेंट मत कर देना, उससे पहले वीडियो मत छोड़ना, पूरा देखो फिर आराम से, टेंशन नहीं लेना. Guys, I think that learning Japanese on your own, at least the N5 and N4, is not a good idea. I'll tell you why. First of all, understand this. N5 is very fundamental. Like ABCD हो गया, तुम कह लो तुम्हें N5 में just ABCD और कुछ kanji लिखने आएंगे and basic. मेरा नाम रोहित है, like that. Just very basic. It's very basic. N4 is the fundamental. Like fundamental when I say N4 अगर तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से आती है तो you can speak Japanese fluently. It's true. It's true. It's true. N4 में जितने भी forms हैं that is the basic. तो पहले तुम ये जानते हो कि alphabets क्या हैं, scripts क्या हैं, and then you just basic sentence and then you go for the pillars which is the forms. उसके बाद you can play with Japanese which is N3, N2 and N1. ये जो base है, this you should do it from a teacher, and I'll tell you why. The first reason is going to be the speed. Okay, you can choose any book you want, you can choose any YouTube channel you want, you can go for any free content, but you are going to go very very slow. अब इसी के बारे में सोचो, वो एक Japanese Pod 101 का कोई वीडियो है where you are learning maybe not even half of hiraganas in 1 hour. बड़े हो गए हम लोग यार. It doesn't take 1 hour to learn that much, but it's fine. So speed is going to matter. The second reason is going to be the direction. तुम्हें जापानीज समझते चले जानी है, but just because you're browsing through the free content or the books, you're gonna be, फैल जाओगे, हर जगह फैल जाओगे, कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा, कहाँ जाना चाहिए, क्या समझना चाहिए, ये डाउट आ गया, अरे ये तो वहाँ कनेक्ट, डाउट्स नहीं क्लियर होंगे. हाँ, you might have some WhatsApp groups or you might have some Quora वगैरह है where someone will clear your doubts, but teacher होना is completely different. It's very important to have a teacher actually. You might not be able to clear your doubts properly, and that is very important. एक बार डाउट आया, खत्म करना है वो डाउट as soon as possible. हर बार ना, हर टीचर का एक अपना मेथड होता है. The way they teach, the way they combine their knowledge and then they give it out to you. So things are very simplified coming out from a teacher. Coming out of a book, one book is not sufficient, first of all. So the reason why you should not learn Japanese on your own, not learn complete Japanese, like you should definitely not learn N5 and N4 on your own. Here is why. You might say कि यार books हैं, कर लेते हैं, हो जाएगा, structured है, detailed है, speed भी हो जाएगा, रट लेंगे. करो. आज नहीं तो कल समझ में आ जाएगा जो मैं कह रहा हूँ. But मैं तो कह रहा हूँ करो, वो अच्छा है. अगर तुम निकल जाओ, मैं तो चाहता हूँ तुम मेरे को बोल दो गलत है, ये गलत है. It's good. It's good. You're very capable. Okay. The reason why I'm telling you this is because there are two reasons. One is the books. You might have books and the free content. So yes, so let's talk about the books. Books. Minna no Nihongo. Everyone is following Minna no Nihongo. We teachers, or I teachers, when we teach Japanese, we choose Minna no Nihongo because one, it's easy to understand for the students. Okay, it's actually a high level book, but it's like written in a good way. Okay, then everyone follows Minna no Nihongo, so yes, why not? Let's just go for Minna no Nihongo. But Minna no Nihongo is not enough. we use Minano Nihongo for grammar only. I use Minano Nihongo for grammar only. For kanji, I use something else. For vocab, maybe I use something else. And sometimes for listening and everything, for practices, we use something else. So as a teacher, we use combination of books to teach you. You can't just follow one book and start learning on your own. As I told you, when we teach, we have learned a lot, and we try to compress everything and it comes out. So let's just say you are learning N5, but something is written on the paper that gives you a doubt from N3. Now that book is not going to clear that, but a teacher would instantly clear it to you कि ये ऐसा ऐसा N3 में है, but yes, this is how it works, so at present you can understand it like this. It happens a lot in my class, but yes, that's the truth. The second is the free content, like YouTube videos, or maybe someone is teaching you on WhatsApp, or maybe anything. Just know one thing, no one is going to give you anything for free नहीं होता है, हमेशा बैक में कुछ होता है. So like everything is advertisement. Like you start, like you can be on Japanese Pod 101 or anything like that. Japanese Pod 101 is very slow. And if someone has done the free content, or maybe it's on YouTube or anything like that, how are you going to clear your doubts? Main motive behind a free content is advertisement, because it attracts a lot of people, and then we can filter things out. That is why free content works. That's how Google works. You can search anything on Google for free. But that is not how they earn money. They earn money through advertisement, because they have a huge number of people, because everyone wants everything for free. That's how it works. So if you're learning through a free content, make sure that you're very thorough with your Japanese. But of course, free content is not structured. It will go either, and it's difficult to understand. But if there is someone who is teaching well, good, very good. So these are my reasons why you should not be learning Japanese on your own. And that being said, अभी मैं N5 चालू कर रहा हूँ 5000 में 16th August 2021 in collaboration with Graphic Era and Kyorin International Academy, then Sophia International Academy. Everyone is coming together to teach you guys Japanese through me. I am going to. So if you guys want to join, don't wait for it, just join. फिर नहीं ऐसा मौका आएगा, because I'm not going to be able to teach later on. So yes, I hope you like the video and it changes some thoughts for you guys. Yes, but if I would still motivate you to learn on your own. Like if you're doing it, just push really hard. It's possible. I hope that you enjoy the content and everything. Thanks for your feedback. See you in the next video, guys.